What does the future hold for human civilization, and where do we stand in the grand cosmos? As we gaze into the star-studded abyss of the night sky, these questions often stir within us, sparking a sense of curiosity, wonder, and sometimes apprehension. We find ourselves yearning for a scale, a measure, a cosmic yardstick of sorts, to determine our place in the universe. And to quench this existential thirst, we turn to the Kardashev Scale. Conceived by Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev in the 1960s, this scale is not one that measures distance or time, but a civilization's level of technological advancement. It gauges this based on the sheer magnitude of energy a civilization can harness, manipulate, and use. Imagine, if you will, an ant carrying a grain of sugar, a beaver building a dam, or a bird crafting a nest. These are but simple examples of organisms using energy to alter their environment to suit their needs. Now magnify this concept to a planetary, stellar, or even galactic scale. That's the essence of the Kardashev Scale. However, it's not merely about energy consumption. It's an exploration of potential futures, a roadmap to what we as a species could become. It illuminates the path we might tread, from being a planet-bound civilization to harnessing the energy of stars, galaxies, and possibly even the universe itself. But where does our civilization, with all its skyscrapers, satellites, and silicon chips, stand on this scale? Are we at the precipice of becoming a Type 1 civilization, poised to harness the full energy potential of our home planet, Earth? Or are we still fledglings with much to learn and master? This journey we're about to embark upon is not just a journey across the cosmos, but also a journey through time, through potential futures and technological marvels yet unimagined. That, my dear friends, is where the Kardashev Scale comes into play. We're about to explore the future of human civilization and our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. So, buckle up, and let's venture into the unknown together. Imagine a civilization that has harnessed all the energy available on its home planet, a Type 1 civilization. This is a world where technology has advanced to such a degree that all natural energy flows are tapped and fully utilized. Picture a society where the sun's rays, every gust of wind, even the very movement of the Earth itself is converted into power. But it's not just about energy. A Type 1 civilization also implies a unified global community, where political and geographic barriers are a thing of the past. Imagine a world without wars, without scarcity, where every human being benefits from the collective accomplishments of their species. The energy sources they utilize are clean, renewable, and abundant. Solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, even fusion power could be at their disposal. These sources are not only sustainable but also have minimal environmental impact. A Type 1 civilization, harnessing the energy of its home planet, is a step we humans are yet to take. Now, consider a civilization that has mastered the energy of its entire star, a Type 2 civilization. This is a civilization that has harnessed and controls the total energy of its home star. Imagine the technological advancements required to achieve this. They'd likely employ megastructures like Dyson spheres, colossal contraptions that encapsulate a star to capture its energy output. A Type 2 civilization could also use what's known as a stellar engine, a device designed to control the movement of a star and its planetary system. Picture a civilization with the capability to reposition its solar system, dodging cosmic threats or seeking out new resources. But it's not just about the energy. It's about the civilization's capacity to manipulate its environment on an astronomical scale, to ensure its survival in the vast cosmos. A Type 2 civilization, utilizing the energy of a star, is a leap forward in the cosmic scale. What if a civilization could harness the energy of an entire galaxy? That's a Type 3 civilization. Imagine a society with technology so advanced, it's indistinguishable from magic to us. This civilization, in its cosmic grandeur, has transcended the confines of a single solar system or star. Their energy sources, unfathomable. They harness the raw, unbridled power of black holes, converting their destructive force into usable energy. They've tamed the wild dance of galaxies, turning them into cosmic power plants. They've also mastered the art of stellar engineering, manipulating stars to serve their needs. They could cause or prevent supernovae, create or destroy star systems. In terms of communication, they could potentially send messages across galactic distances, making the vast expanse of the universe a little less lonely. In the grand scheme of the universe, they've achieved what we can only dream of: true cosmic greatness. A Type 3 civilization controlling a galaxy's energy is a testament to cosmic greatness. Beyond galaxies, there are civilizations that manipulate energy at even larger scales. As we venture into the realms of Type 4 to 7 civilizations, we're stepping into the domain of the truly extraordinary, where the line between science and science fiction becomes blurred. Type 4 civilizations are masters of all energy within their universe. They've ascended beyond the constraints of a single galaxy, harnessing energy from countless stars, black holes, and other cosmic phenomena. It's not just about power, though. Their technological advancements could include time travel, manipulation of space-time, and even the creation of universes. Next, consider a Type 5 civilization, a level that transcends our own universe. These civilizations are capable of harnessing and manipulating the energy of multiple universes, a feat that requires technology and understanding far beyond our current comprehension. Think of it as the ultimate in energy recycling, as they could potentially draw on the energy of dying universes to fuel their own. A Type 6 civilization takes it a step further, manipulating the very fabric of the multiverse. At this level, a civilization might be able to traverse different universes, each with its own set of physical laws at will. They would be, in essence, masters of reality itself. And finally, we reach the zenith, a Type 7 civilization. These entities would be so advanced that they manipulate structures and concepts that we can't even begin to understand, such as the dimensions of time and space. They could exist in and manipulate entire multiverses, an ability that places them in the realm of the divine from our perspective. As we journey from Type 4 to 7, we see a progression from the manipulation of a universe to multiple universes to the multiverse, and finally to structures and concepts beyond our comprehension. These civilizations from Type 4 to 7 represent the pinnacle of cosmic evolution. So where does that leave us, dear listeners, in the grand scheme of the cosmos? Currently, we find ourselves at the preliminary stage of this cosmic ladder, a humble Type 0 civilization. We're not entirely powerless, mind you. We've harnessed the energy of our planet, tamed the power of the atom, and begun to tap into the renewable resources that surround us. Yet, we still have a long way to go. Our energy consumption is increasing exponentially, and we're making strides towards becoming a Type 1 civilization. This leap will require us to harness the full energy potential of our home planet. We'll need to master the power of the wind, the waves, the sun, and even the very core of the Earth itself. We'll need to become stewards of our planet, managing our resources responsibly and sustainably. The Kardashev Scale is not just a measure of energy usage, but also a roadmap for our future. It's a vision of what we could become if we continue to innovate, to explore, to dream. It's a reminder that we're part of a vast, unending universe, filled with untold wonders and unimaginable power. Every step we take towards the stars, every new technology we develop, brings us closer to that next rung on the Kardashev ladder. It's a journey that won't be easy, but it's one that's filled with promise and potential. The challenges we'll face will be monumental, but the rewards could be equally as grand. Looking at the Kardashev Scale, we can visualize our potential, our future. It's a future where we could harness the energy of stars, tame the power of galaxies, and perhaps even learn to manipulate the very fabric of the universe itself. On the cosmic stage, we may be infants, but the potential for growth is infinite. So gaze upon the stars and dream of what we might become.